the next lecture session, that is the memory map in 8051. Okay, memory map in 8051, that is the 8051 is the nothing but that is the microcontroller, which is architecture we discussed in the lecture 1. So the continuation of that, here the memory is the memory means it can have storage capacity, it can able to store something, that is the memory. So without the memory we can't able to create any task, right? So the memory is very essential. So that memory has been organized in some proper way in the microcontroller 8051 that we are going to discuss it today. You all know that special features we discussed already. It's have 64 kilobit ROM. It's have 64 kilobyte ROM that is used for the storing the data, that is the program memory. Okay, that is the random access, read only memory. Whatever the program we made, that program has been stored here, so that we can read only. Okay, that is why the ROM. Okay, sometimes it is the external memory. The external memory in the sense you can add somewhat extra memory devices like ROM or EPROM. Suppose if you are having any mobile phone, if you want to add some more memory, you are inserting somewhat memory card, right? That is the external memory. That is the expandable memory. That also have up to 64 kilobyte external memory it can support. That is the ROM or EPROM. ROM means read only memory. EPROM means the erasable programmable read only memory, right? The erasable programmable read only memory. Here we can store the data, so that that is the option, that is the external memory. Similarly, the ROM also we have, that is the internal memory, internal ROM we have, right? The internal ROM, it has been it is also the 64 kilobit. See, while you are seeing that block, it's starting with the 000 and ending with the FFF. That was the maximum byte. Okay, so the 0, it is the here, that is the starting stage, that is the final stage. The F hexadecimal equivalent, that value you all know, 15. So that was the maximum capacity of the memory, right? So if you are starting here, the each 0 and 1 it's counted as bit. The 8 bits are 1 byte, right? 8 bits are 1 byte. You all know that. So here the 0, 0, 0, 0. Here the each 0 it's capable to up to 4 bits. 4 bits. Each 0, that is the 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 0, like 4 zeros. Here we are started. It is the initial stage, and that was the maximum capacity. For this, it's have the maximum storage limit, that is the 64 KB, right? So here in the 64 internal RAMs, right, internal ROM, you see here the 4 KB ROM, that is the internal ROM. Okay, then 60 RAM is the external ROM. Up to 60 we can extend it. So you see here 0, 0, 0, that is the up to 0 FFF, and 1, 0, 0, 0, then FFF. That is also the internal as well as external ROM, right? Apart from this all and we can consider as read only memory, that is the ROM. Okay, either read only memory or erasable programmable read only memory. Both are it is there. It is maximum capacity is 64 KB. That is bar ROM. Apart from that, we have another RAM, that is the random access memory. So the random access memory can support to read as well as write the data in the processor. The ROM, for example, if you are storing some videos in your ROM, you are using the phone, right? You have the ROM. It may be the 32 GB or 64 GB ROM you may have in your phone. That ROM, it can capable to store the videos, files, data, PDF, whatever it is, right? It can capable to store the data, but the ROM, it can't able to write the data. Only it is used for reading the data. So you may see that, or you may, while you are seeing that any video, you can see and you can't able to write. While you are changing any of, while you are, if you want to edit the videos, you need for RAM support, right? So the random access memory. So here that was the storaging for the program alone. Okay, that is it can able to store, but it can't able to, or it can't provide any support to write any data or program. Okay, but the internal RAM, it's have the 128 byte RAM, that is a random access memory. In that it's segregated in the two categories 0 to 7 and 8 to 80 to F8. Here it is the F8 is the maximum capacity, that is the 120 byte of RAM. Okay, so apart from that, we can extend the ROM up to 64 KB. That is the ROM. Again, we are expanding. Here you see the RAM we never change it. There is no possible to extend your RAM. But ROM we can change up to 64 KB. Extra 64 KB if you want to add external RAM. Suppose you are making any program, that program it is need for more size. Like the 64 internal is not supported, or